Hey guys, so I got a package from Panda XX Lover and my sister. Yeah, if that makes any sense. Yeah, she sent it she bought it for me and she gave it to me, she sent it. Cause, yeah. So, let's get started. So, I already pre-opened it, but I haven't seen what's inside yet. So, yeah. Came in this roll mailer and envelope. And so first of all, it came with these memo papers and it has a note. Hey, your sister Kitsune K-Sack brought this for you. Enjoy. So yeah, thank you. So then I got these memo papers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got this Hello Kitty. And yeah, I love Hello Kitty. So thank you. And I got these Milkitas. And my sister has always been raving about them, so I guess I'll try them. So yeah, that's what I've got from, let's see if I can just show you guys. From Panda XX Lover.